Hi everybody, Tam here. Welcome to my channel. Guess what I have? Yes, another Blythe doll. I actually think there are two in here. If I remember correctly, they both are fantasy hair dolls that I found well priced. And again, I'm stocking them away for, you know, customizing and that sort of thing. This box is in pretty bad shape, but hopefully they're going to be okay. Goodness gracious. All right, we got our hands. So cool. So they're both light-skinned dolls, and they have similar hair colors. So this one is yeah, she's bobbed and has this gorgeous purple. Wow, she's much brighter. Her hair's a much brighter purple than I expected. All right, girl, let me get this. There we go. Should just pull right off. Wow. Oh, and her face is a little different too. Look at those lips. So her lips are a little pouty. So yeah, I don't remember if I did that on purpose. So yeah, now I'm remembering the whole dolly buying episode here. I was looking for dolls that had a very, you know, something different about them. So that's why I was looking at the fantasy hair, and that's, if you remember, if you saw my video recently where I unboxed this doll that had wild, crazy pink hair that was really tall, and, you know, she had teeth and everything. This is also a doll I remember picking up at that point in time. Same kind of idea. She got a little pouty face there. She even has a little blushing there on her little clef. Huh. Interesting. And I believe she has the standard eyes. Yep. She is cute, though. Look at that. Don't be so sad, girl. All right, so that's one doll. Again, she's got the fantasy hair, light-skinned, pouty face. And the other doll also has fantasy hair. Very unusual color from what I remember. Yeah, it's sort of a... Obviously, they both are like tones of purple, but hers is sort of a... I don't know, purpley pink, I guess you would call that. I mean, you can see there's a huge difference in the color, but they're both on the purple side, and I have a thing about purple. So she does not have a pouty face. She has pouty mouth. She has just a regular mouth. It looks like she's got kind of a coral colored lips, light blushing. Her hair is gorgeous. So lush and soft. She would make a neat... So I'm kind of getting into like character dolls, like fairies and mermaids and that kind of thing. So that's what kind of drew me to these strange, different looking... I guess Blythe's strange to some people, but these different looking Blythe dolls. Yeah, so both of them I could see as character dolls. Maybe she's going to be a sad little princess. I don't know. But they reminded me of sort of this, you know, fantasy world type of thing. So I thought they would both kind of fit well there. But yeah, are they too cute or what? Let me know what you think of their hair color in the comments below. And the pouty mouth versus the regular mouth. Do you see that difference there? What do you think? Do you like the pouty mouth, or do you prefer your dolls not to be like more smiley? Let me know in the comments below. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please have a wonderful dolly day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.